Yeah, that's me. It's too much. Looks amazing though. Nah, no thank you. No thank you. What's mad about it, right, is that there's no thunder whatsoever. Just loads of lights. Like, I'm quite lucky because I'm not actually under the storm, but I think it's on its way. Like, you've got these really dark clouds. Yeah, let's go by here and see if we get a bit more footage. If it starts to rain, I'm going out here, and I'm sorry that this video is very, very short. But this is very important that I get this because it looks incredible. I'm getting out here because I'm actually underneath. Don't know if you can see that. This camera is not waterproof. I'll see if I can get, if it starts raining and stuff. Oh my god, I'm right in the fucking middle of it. Oh my god, this is crazy. This lightning don't hit me. Oh man, I'm terrified right now. I'm fucking getting out here. I don't like. I don't know what it is, I just always got a funny feeling that I'm that unlucky person to get hit by a lightning bolt. Look, right underneath it. If it starts raining, I'll be able to get some stuff from... Oh, some guy's playing... Oh, he's playing some game. Looks like a projector in his house. I cannot believe that I'm actually in a storm right now. Easy, storms, easy. Oh my god. Yeah, fuck that. I'm out here. Come here. Look at the sky.
I saw it. That's the first time I saw thunder.
It's lightning, mate. It's not thunder.
I know, but that's the first time I ever saw it.
Is it?
Yeah?
Goodbye, storm. Goodbye, storm. It's just really scary. I'm just terrified of it. I'll let you guys know why I'm afraid of thunder and lightning. When I was around 8, it was 2 times actually, 2 times. When I was around 8, it was raining really heavy, and I was in my garden. When I was 8 years old, I was playing in the street, and it was raining, and I'm like, I'm singing in the rain. I was just a little young kid. Then lightning struck near me, and I literally thought I was going to die of a heart attack. I smashed through the door. I broke the door, and my dad was like, "What's going on? What's going on?" I was like, "Lightning!" So yeah, so that was one time, and there was another time I was stuck in a field, and a teacher had to drive me home from school because I was too scared of the lightning and thunder. But yeah, you know, I'm not the only person afraid of thunder and lightning. I'm not the only person in the world. And spiders. I don't like thunder, lightning, and spiders. So, I can't believe I'm heading back out into the storm for you guys to get content, because how often does this happen, you know? Oh my god, I'm right in it. crazy because there's like all around, you know? Wherever you look. We can just hear like a rumble just by there, which is really, really weird. It's really peaceful. It's a thunder I don't like. Yeah, I'm going. It's literally above me. Oh my god. And the last thing I want to do is get electrocuted. Oh my god, I'm scared. It's like right by there. Oh my god, get me on. Sorry guys, I can't handle it. I can't handle it, I'm too scared. Oh my god. Get me the fuck home right now. I don't like this at all. I'm like right underneath the fucking storm. It was okay when I thought I'd come out and it'll be fine, but actually... Get me home! Oh my god, I'm terrified. It's like right above me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh my god, it's right above. Nah. One's right by here somewhere. Oh my god. It's like making my camera flicker. And would you look at that for timing? It starts pissing down with rain. Just when I get in and I end the vlog. I'm not afraid of you no more, lightning. I'm not afraid of you. Anyway, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'm not afraid of you. I am a little bit. Hope you did enjoy the vlog, guys. I can't really see much because of the building. If the building wasn't there, then I'll just set my camera up and let it roll. And the thunder's horrible. It's not like normal thunder. It's like proper, like, scary thunder, like haunted mansion thunder. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, guys. I know this was just a little extra. I picked up the camera and did a little vlog for you. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all soon.